Morning students, so today we are going to do some preparation methods. We are going to prepare the carboxylic acid from the Grignard reagent. From where we are going to prepare? From the Grignard reagent. And all of you see there, when we are preparing this carboxylic acid from the Grignard reagent, we have to use a CO2 RMGX. This is a CO2. C is always positive, R is negative, Mg is positive. In the presence of dry ether, then what is going to come over there? Then it will, I think you know very well, R is a negative. This negative part will going to attach where? This negative part is going to attach to this positively charged carbon. So it becomes R C double bond O. Okay, then OMgX, because this MgX will go where? To this negatively charged. Then after that we have to do the hydrolysis in the presence of H positive. And what we are getting? We are getting RCOOH plus MgOHX. I think it's clear to you students. So this was the preparation of carboxylic acid from where? From the Grignard reagent. Okay. Same way we are having one another method is here. We have to prepare the carboxylic acid from acyl chloride, and acid anhydride. From acyl chloride and the acid anhydride. Then what to do there in this case? You see please. This is RCOCl. Simply you add the water into that. What we are going to add? We are going to add the water molecule into that. This is containing H positive and the OH negative. C is always containing positive charge, so that is why RCOOH. What will come there? RCOOH plus HCl. What we have made? We have made the carboxylic acid by simply doing the hydrolysis of acid chloride. Same way we can do the hydrolysis of acid anhydride also. What we can do? We can do the hydrolysis of acid anhydride also. What to do into that? RCOR plus H2O. Now what to do with H positive and the OH negative? Then क्या करना है इसमें हमने? ये देखो RCOOH, clear? Same way RCOOH, then RCOOH. 2 moles of carboxylic acid we have made. So this is by the simple hydrolysis of anhydride. This is a anhydride. Okay, then after that student, next one is here. Next one we are going to do, that is we have to prepare the carboxylic acid from the esters, from the esters. So when we are preparing it from the ester, you must see, all of you, let it be, this is the esters taking, and it is going under the hydrolysis, but it is a reverse reaction of the esterification. Might be you are knowing the esterification. It is totally reverse of the esterification. In the esterification, ester and the water we are forming over there. Then here it will be, in this case, it becomes RCOOH. Okay, then plus ROH, because again H positive and OH. Just wait. Okay, here it is H positive and OH negative. So it is giving RCOH, then plus ROH. Okay, RCOH plus ROH. This one we are going to form over there. This is we are preparing from the esters. Is that clear to you, students? This is the preparation of carboxylic acid. So we have completed all the preparations of carboxylic acid. Okay, students, thank you very much.